Blade templating mastering Laravel's views. Explore the power of Blade, Laravel's templating engine, to create dynamic and secure web application. Template inheritance in Blade. Blade template inheritance allows you to define a base layout and extend inner child views, promoting code reuse and consistency. Base layout. Define common elements like headers and footers. Child views. Extend the base layout and customize specific sections. Sections and yields. Dynamic content management. Use Blade section and yields to inject content into specific areas of your layout, making your views highly flexible. Define section. In child views, specify content for main sections. Use yields. In the base layout, use yields to display section content. Blade control structures. Reliable code. Blade's control structures provide a clean and concise syntax for conditional logic and loops, enhancing code readability compared to raw PHP. Secure data display. The syntax in Blade automatically escapes data, preventing across-site scripting vulnerabilities and ensuring secure data privacy. Components and slots. Reusable UI elements. Blade's components and slots allow you to create reusable UI elements, promoting consistency and reducing code duplication. Define components. Create reusable UI elements with custom logic. Use slots. Inject content into specific areas of the component. Blade directive custom functionality. Blade directives allow you to extend Blade's functionality with custom PHP code, enabling you to create reusable logic within your templates. Create directives. Define custom Blades directive with PHP code. Use directive. Call your custom directive in your Blade templates. Real-world application dynamic forms. Use Blade to create dynamic forms with conditional fields, validation, and reusable components, streamlining data input and improving user experience. Conditional fields. Show or hide fields based on user input. Validation. Validate user input with server-side logic. Reusable components. Create from elements as reusable components. Conclusion. Blade's power and flexibility. Blade provides a powerful and flexible templating engine for Laravel, enabling you to create dynamic, secure, and maintainable web application. Template inheritance for code reuse. Section and yields for dynamic content. Control structure for reliable code. Syntax for secure data display. Components and slots for reusable UI elements. Next steps. Dive deeper into Blade. Explore Laravel's documentation and experiment with Blade's features to unlock its full potential and create a stunning web application. That's all. Thank you for watching.